Hello, Klaus here, and welcome back to yet another video here at the channel. So in today's video, we're going to jump into one of the new features in DaVinci Resolve 20, and it is the ability to finally animate subtitles. And how we're going to do that, I'll show you that. And also there is some presets so you can customize how your subtitles look. It's also a new thing in DaVinci Resolve 20, so let's just jump right into DaVinci and I will show you how it works. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and I'm just quickly going to show you how to do these animated titles in DaVinci Resolve 20. It's super easy. So I'm going to take this old clip I have right here, and I'm going to do like animated titles, and we're going to have a look at some of the other features you can do as well. So first up, we're going to go up here and we'll go under timeline, and in timeline we have this new AI tools. This is where you can use the Audiio assist or create a subtitles from Audiio, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to make this into a single line, and let's have less words on screen. So let's say we're going to have 10 characters per line. Let's bump that up to 20. And then we are just going to push create. And DaVinci will do its thing, analyze whatever I'm saying. And now we have the text on. So the thing we need to do is we need to go up to the effects. And in effects, we are going to go to titles, and then we can scroll down underneath the subtitles. We have actually the animated titles right here, but first I'll show you these ones. These are subtitles you can add in. So we could, for instance, take this one, and I'm just going to drag that onto here. And now all of my subtitles are actually made into this. So that's one thing you could do. I'm just going to redo that. And there is like 18 different ones you could try out. You can still see how they look like that. There we go. I'm going to take this one. And of course, we could go into the inspector with the track selected. And we could go in and change things around if we want to in the layouts. Here we can change the background and all of these things. So that's not what I really want to show. What I really want to show was the animated ones. And we have some presets, so we could put in like a lollipop we have here. I hope you are having a lovely day. If you are interested in... That's the lollipop one. I'm going to take lollipop out. We have a slide in. We can put slide in. T-shirts. Please do check out the merch store. Or we have the rotate. Let's have a look at that. If you are interested in t-shirts, which is kind of cool. Statement. It's going to be here. Let's have a look at that. Please do check out the merch store. And then we have word highlighter. So I'm going to take that, the highlighter, which is really cool. So what we can do actually, still going into the inspector, we can go in and change the color and the fonts. Of course, we can change that into whatever we want. Let's take, maybe I want to have this font, and I can size it up. I can change the highlight fill color. So we can change the color of this. Let's change it into like brownish. I'm going to say OK. And we could go in and change the softness of this. If we want to, we can go in and make it glow. Or we could blend together, stuff like that. And we also have like a color outline, so we can actually outline the color to something else. Let's say we're going to do it to like this. Maybe it's not pretty. And then we have like a background color. We can put in the background color as well. So we could put in and make this like whatever. This is totally, I mean, people who know something about graphic design would really hate this look right now. And I'm doing that too, but I'm not doing this to make it pretty or anything. So now we have that done here, and we can just do like that. I do hope you are having a lovely day. If you are interested in t-shirts, please do check out the merch store I have down in the description. Sorry for the shameless self-promotion here, by the way. So now we've done our video, and the way we could actually do very quickly, we could just go into the render settings. If I go into my render here, I go down to my export subtitles, and I'm going to change this into burn into video. And I'm just going to burn my subtitles onto the video. So that is basically how we are going to use the animated subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 20. Anyway, I do hope you found this little video useful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it with your friends if you think it would help them out. And if you want to be notified every time there's another video here at the channel, please hit that bell icon down in the corner. Until next time, keep filming, keep learning, and keep sharing.